Gratitude to. In a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 1954, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that whoever is not grateful to people cannot be grateful to Allah, the Exalted. Even though there is no doubt that the source of all blessings is none other than Allah, the Exalted, nonetheless, showing gratitude to people is an important aspect of Islam. This is because Allah, the Exalted, sometimes uses a person as a means to help others, such as one's parents. As the means has been created and used by Allah, the Exalted, being grateful to them is in fact being grateful to Allah, the Exalted. Therefore, Muslims must show good character, and always show appreciation for any aid or support they receive from others irrespective of its size. They should show gratitude to Allah, the Exalted, by using the blessing according to His commands, as He is the source of the blessing, and they must show gratitude to the person who helped them, as they are the means which was created and chosen by Allah, the Exalted. A Muslim should show gratitude verbally to people and practically by repaying their act of kindness, according to their means, even if it is only a supplication on their behalf. This has been advised in a narration found in Imam Bukhari's Adab al-Mufrad, number 216. The one who does not show gratitude to the outward manifestation of the help of Allah, the Exalted, meaning a person, will less likely show it directly to Allah, the Exalted. The person who does not show gratitude to people cannot show true gratitude to Allah, the Exalted, and therefore they will not be given an increase in blessings. Chapter 14 Ibrahim, verse 7.
And remember when your Lord proclaimed, "If you are grateful, I will surely increase you in favor."
If a Muslim desires an increase in blessings, they must fulfill both aspects of gratitude, namely, to Allah, the Exalted, and to people.